Yeah man, so you know what's viral J.A. back in the streets again, you see it? Yeah man, long time when you're up in the streets, so you know so we have to bring back a new video. Yeah man, so today you know what's over there, me a pen, yeah, don't ramp with it, you see it? Yeah man, so see we find a talented artist as usual, you see it? First time in a me pen for do a video, so hopefully we find the artist them, you see it? Come here, so me pen have the most baddest artists them in the street, so let's see, you see it? So we have to check it out and you know, we're gonna see what I go on. Out! Yeah man, so you know, so viral J.A. in the streets again with the next upcoming artist, you know, me pen town there, you see it? So tell them what yourself now, where you come from.
Yeah man, the grandma's one for centi man, you know we make money plenty, sell melon plenty, work hard every day, dep on the farm as usual. You don't know what the thing go. You know we have to get the glory, although a bad mind I try ignore we. You know what the thing go.
True. Alright.
Me a pen. I always say centi, whole acre, where square I go.
Alright, so introduce yourself now.
Yeah, rappa dappa. Upcoming, but I feel like I'm boss already, B. You know what I'm saying? Do it with the thing, you know what I'm saying? Feel like I'm there already, G.
Okay. So where you from, Mapen?
Born in Mapen. You don't know, Toronto, Canada, that's my place too, you know? In the streets, the whole thing, you know? Rappa dappa. Produce for a lot of artists too. I can't go down the list cause enough people probably get mad, you know, cause I'll leave them out, but big up to my brethren them, yo, like all of my brethren them will stick with me and we're doing the things together.
Yeah man, so you know, so viral J.A. in the streets again with the next upcoming artist in me a pen, you see it? So introduce yourself now.
Yeah man, gotta have to Dutch people don't touch man, destroy the world liar man. Whoa! Yes man, big up Papa Leg, big up Rooster. Yeah man, big up the whole me a pen too. From Basco there, so me open market, Rooster restaurant and bar there, so me I say destroy the world liar, speak, so me I say the whole street, so me I say big up the whole and me open from with Clarendon, and the whole Jamaica to cause at the one place.
So where them can find it on social media?
Yeah man, destroy the world liar man, music man, you can check out
on our streaming platform.
We don't reach Spotify yet, but I think we are working on now.
Alright.
This song we are playing on FM. So FM I play me too, big up Gary G, one of the big this track where I get out the thing out there. So me I say I see him with IFM. So you know a whole thing I go on.
Alright. So we are going to drop a beat here. You go, no? Give the people in my live performance on the street, so you know, them know how I go on. You see?
Happy put your cups up. Rooster put your cups up. Dappa rappa birthday. Every put your cups up. This fire is the best. Oh, them can't tell so we. Whoa, boy, alright, I'm a homie in this world, put your cups up. If you've been to sufferation, put your hands up. So we rolling through the street in our bed stuck. So we tell the get a youth, them say fi link up. And no see your tobacco, we no use cup. From you see this some work, you know the weed puff. I go check our chill, them got the real stuff. People shouting destroy, I get the big bus. Show me pretty up the place like it's Christmas. But me name with the girl, them a discuss. But them see me walking and get nervous. So me find out them a crowd in a circus. Wow, touchdown in a me tour bus. So me tour round Africa, me yard first. So me, wow, this try the world liar. And that's it, I don't know, boom. Oh, in every city when me step. Trend that me set, money that me make. Girls that me get, my that me check. Stay sure that me wreck you better. Show respect, alright. Got to go to places, see a lot of faces. Yes, I got to wear this platinum braces. Gotta bust champagne by the cases. I gotta live life, gotta live. Got to go to places, see a lot of faces. Yes, I got to wear this platinum braces. Gotta bust champagne by the cases. I gotta live. I like that, try it. Me and my wife and my kids rolling out in the G6 to do the gigs. What you know about Tupac and Biggs? Bob Marley, Peter Touch and Joe Gibbs. But negativity is straight positive. Tell up in the fire, Jaja and me back it if. In a mankind we still see all lives. When we see the people never be alone with him. Got to go to places, see a lot of no shot. Oh, Selassie I. Yes I. Yeah, big up Rooster. Big up Basco on the self, see and way. Yeah, Papa left the manager, send team member, go man. Dappa rappa your birthday to the too. So what them I said to, can we act like fire? See when I play on radio, wait bro? Let me do my thing. What we say from one But up it we know, we now wait till tomorrow. Man, I forget which come me tired of the pain and sorrow. I believe what I know. Hey, hey, let me do my thing. Hey, hey, different rhythm, jump on different one. I say fire can react like fire on you. Oh, sir. Yeah, I straight in. I say go. You see me? I say big interview, man. I pick up the whole of me open market, man. We have to do it, you know. I talk, we attack it. I walk it, man. Yeah. So that's say I, man. Whoa. Yes, I got to move. Yeah, yeah. Life I live. Oh. Oh, in the street I goes. Hey. Hey. I will make we move, yes, we make we move, make we money. I will make we move, make we money. You see what I Jamaican them? You saw me upon them and tell them, stop public. Tell them mess with this money chain. We make it rain more than liquor wine. No mess with this money chain. In this music game, this fortune and fame. No mess with this money chain. We spend this so much money, now this a fast lane. No mess with this money chain. This money chain, this money chain. Benz and the man, the beam and the range. A little fool, not a damn thing change. Destroyer, the cut off the Dutch is my name. Spend money on the avenue, the street and the bad and western type. With a dead no see in my brain. Make love to Jennifer Lopez and the money chain. Got me read by. We send me fly, go a Spain. Every girl in this world want me bitch off a frame. So no mess with this money chain. Let it rain more than liquor. Hey, no mess with this money chain. This money chain, this money chain. We Jamaican hustler, must we get the paper. When we touch the street, we no keep up player hater. Benz and the Oma Bimba and the Navigator. Inna fi me house, be a fi about Ozo Eka inna. This a where me a fi buy but Ozo Eka. Be supermarket, Tote Plaza. Whoa, whoa. Try the world lion. Get off the Dutch. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, the big man, you see it. Yeah, man, check out all them social media, them, you see it. Tell them, remind them again, no?
Yeah, man, Destroyer, man.
Destroyer.
Music, and look, you know. We have some nice one job song too. We just give you some about three pieces of them for the can listen to them, call them out too. They might play on highway from us, so. Rose, you remember one, yeah? Boom! When job bless a man, Father Rooster, them can't stop a man. You see the strength of a man. Papa, like you remember one, yeah? Whoa, whoa! I'm the same, Rocky Joe. One day show no love. India, you understand? Selassie, I. Yeah, man.
Respect, you see it. Viral J.A. out. Alright, so we are gonna drop the beat, you know? You are gonna do all the thing, you see it?
All strippers and hoes come to my condo on any given Sunday. Al Pacino, you could catch me at the Niagara Falls Casino. Smoke my trees, sell all my keys, and being broke is a disease. Thinking about how I take over the game, and these lame ass rappers get put to shame. Around the last scene, Francina, I was balling in the black Beamer, came through in the Benz, me and Katrina. East Ma, Nate Dogg and Ina was a real star. I ain't talking about when I'm gone. They gonna say I was the best to ever touch a mic. They all gonna confess. Gave away money, gave away jewelry, gave away cars. This shit ain't nothing new to me. Yo, check it, yeah, rhymes for days, man, I can't stop. Check it, yo. This shit got to my head, blew that money like the opposite of red. I even heard I was dead. I'm getting rich every time and getting ahead. Got so much styles I could style your stylist. The one with the ass, yeah, that's my bitch. Jewelry appraise, get my workers a raise. Face it, y'all niggas are basic. Switch up that beat, yo. Yo, every now and then, she used to meet me at the crossroad, jumping out fresh dress, yes, and slam the car door. Reminiscing with the pimps and players, and my niggas that's doing it major. Every now and then, he used to meet me at the crossroads, jumping out fresh dress, yes, slam the car door. Reminiscing with the pimps and players, and my niggas that's When she hears me, they down the road, she get dressed quick and turn off the stove. Stand up at the tire right at the intersection, just for me to look in our direction. These fools don't have no substance. Me and my niggas is the only option. Rings and things, my diamonds blind you. Which robbery in the gully them find you? Check it, check it.
What was it?
At last, a gangster with class. Murder you on camera, but I was wearing a mask. Them say, rappa dappa, you a ruthless boss. Believe in her guns and leave you toothless fast. All the real things mixing on my blood. Say she been, but she never made love. The other night at the club, them play me song and she feel that buzz.
You see it, yo, check him out, you see it, yeah man. Out! So we are drop a big, yo, I just do a little performance, so you see it.
Up, daddy.
Hey, them never know, see how we say me a pen. I just a with the end. Them can't stop the youth, them in the raven. Yo, work hard, put a lot of money in me saving. Come on son, come on. Work hard every day in the street. Man I also know if it make ends meet. Work hard every day in the street. Man I also know if it make the ends meet. Get a youth now give up, cause we still a live up. Bad minds so we know them think we are crush. But work hard every day in the street. Cause man I also hard now if it make ends meet. Cause me run red bike and me want drive cheap. Lavish lifestyle, we not do it like it cheap. Some boys say them a chopper, you know, see say them a thief. Work hard every day, see a melon in the street. Whoever you late and them teeth. When me touch the street, them in the chop without teeth. But work hard, one day me have to make it. Them can't this aggy and them can't this step. You know me come and me a pen and me make be a cash. Me go a send tea like some in a the stash. Be a food, just a cooking on my pot. Red, gold and green, we have everything locked. But work hard every day in the street. Man I also hard now to make ends meet. Cause me want buy bike, cause me want drive cheap. Lavish lifestyle, we not do it like it cheap. But Peter,
I wanna get them more, man. I wanna get them more. Yeah, man, you know, say a viral J in that street. That's it. Good.
Rappa dappa this try, biggest tune for the whole year. Next year, whole thing. Look out for the video. Baby, come over.
Ladies, you know how to get your mouse. You gotta come over, it's a party going on right here, man. Roaster, right side of Basco, yes, sir. Whoa, whoa. Come over, baby. Lady, baby. Baby, come over. I don't really care about Corona. Hey, come up with shoulder to shoulder. Baby, touch you good. Go and tell the man that it's over. Baby, come over. I don't really care about Corona. Hey, come put your leg on my shoulder. Baby, touch you good. Go and tell the man that it's over.
She's a freak, she's a creep, she's a loner. Feel like a virgin tortola. Cause she not get no caca, she older. Then she scream up the like soldier. Put it in, she scream it's over. She skirt and cream, not the nola. Yeah, the legs they got.
Boy, I know that's it, yeah. Baby, come over. I don't really care about Corona. I can put your legs up on my shoulder. When me touch you good. Go and tell her sit around version. Baby, come over. I don't give a f*** about Corona. I can put your legs up on my shoulder. When me good. Go and tell your man that it's over. Baby, come over. I don't really care about Corona. I can put your legs up on my shoulder. When me fuck good. Go and tell your man that it's over.
Right now I am drunk but me sober. Yeah, I forgot my lyrics, man. Rappa dappa, yeah, this try, yeah.
I rap up like you before me left. I rap up a birthday, but you know me taste like sexy cola. Body shape could you like Coca-Cola? And me get she cock up in a Range Rover. So she wife can't rock about she proud. So me cock her up.
Yeah, peeps, you know that's the ending of a next successful video. You see it? Yeah, man, I hope to get more artists, but you know, I have to make do it. Have you see it? Yeah, man, so keep on watching, subscribe, yeah, press the little notification, you know, yeah, the bell and everything, you know. Yeah, man, support the thing, you see, cause you know it's a growing channel. Yeah, man, so you know it's a viral J.A. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, man. We're out. Good.
A girl me we get them harder. Me take 2 from cartel and 3 from my father. Me a the first boy take a girl from killer, we are my father. 2 me take a girl, him say me out of father. Him say stop it, calm down. Wanna country to your mama. Kill quick when me name otherwise as grammar. Me the a Jamaica and me link with Obama. I saw them get 50 grammars when them a scammer. She want know my mama, she me live over Subana. When me touch the road, girl, I give me be a honor.